Do you have to replace the pool tile when replacing the coping on the top of the pool? A lot of our coping pieces are cracked and we need to replace the coping. Our tile is in great shape and looks great. We prefer not to have to replace the tile if it's not necessary. I just don't know if you can replace the coping without having to replace the tile. Also, if you do replace the tile, doesn't mean you have to drain your pool to do this project.
Okay. There's no great easy one simple answer to that. However, depending on your contractor, you do not have to replace the tile or remove the tile to remove the coping. What the contractor will probably have to do is saw cut a line above the tile and the coping so that they have a place to work to then be able to start breaking the coping off. However, your tile, while in great shape now, you start creating trauma in there by cutting out and busting up the coping, you run the risk of future damage of the tile. Ideally, tile and coping are done at the same time. That way, the contractor can cut a line underneath the tile, break the tile off, pull the coping off, put new tile on, put new coping on, then put new tile on, and that's the ideal situation. Now, whether you have to drain the pool or not, again, is going to be based on the contractor. Some contractors are willing to do it on their knees and literally cut those lines and break things off. Other contractors will refuse to do it, and they'll make you drain the pool, probably drill a couple holes in it so it doesn't pop out of the ground, and then work on it that way. That's going to be contractor to contractor based. All of it can be done. Is your contractor willing to do it? You can replace just the coping and not the tile. Are they willing to? You can replace the tile and the coping with water still in the pool. Are they willing to? That's something that's going to be left to your contractor or someone that you feel comfortable that will do the work for you.